Good day, welcome back to Apostle 1. Now this is Apostle 1. Me. My friends, students, make sure you share to your friends. Chat me on WhatsApp, then I add you to my group, okay? Yes. Now if you need a special classes with me, I can meet you face to face. Yeah, this is online, we can't explain much. Understand? Yes, meet me face to face. Let me give you deep understanding about mathematics. Yes. Now, let's move on. Now, a binary operation, this operation, circle dot, is equal to 1/3 of y plus z minus 2 out of 3. Now, we are supposed to find the inverse of 1 out of 2. How can you find the inverse of 1 out of 2? You need the identity element, and after the identity element, you find a general expression for the inverse. After finding the general expression for the inverse, then you find inverse of 1 out of 2. So, I'm going to continue here. So we have y operation circle dot is equal to 1 out of 3 of y plus z minus 2 out of 3. Now, with this one, what we are supposed to do is to find the identity element. So I'm going to use E to be an identity element. So I'll have a y operating on the identity element supposed to give me y. So when it happens like that, y is y, the z is e. Where I see y, I put y here. Where I see z, I put it here. So I will have 1 over 3. Y is y, the z is e. So plus e minus 2 out of 3. Now suppose to give us what? Y. Now at this point, let me multiply 2 by 3. Here by 3, 3 will cancel 3. So I'm going to get y plus e. This one by 3, I'm going to get minus 2. This one by 3, I'm going to get 3y. I'm going to get 3y. I'm supposed to solve for e because e is the identity element. Right? Okay, fine. So let's move on here. Now e will be equal to what? I have 3y here minus y. Then here will be plus 2, right? So e will give us 2y plus 2. So this is the expression for the identity element. But we have e there, we have y there, but we don't care, that's the identity element. Now we are supposed to find the inverse. So let's say y operating on the inverse of y is supposed to give us an identity element. So I'm going to use y exponent -1 as the inverse. Okay, let's move on. Now if I'm writing this one in the form of y, here is supposed to be y. If I'm writing this one in the form of m, this y will be m. Yes, if you don't have any question, just ask me in the comment section. Yeah. Now, so let's move on. The y is y. The z is now y inverse. Let's substitute. So we have 1 over 3. Y is y. The z is now y inverse equal to the e. What is e? E is 2y plus 2. Now, in case if I use a different letter for this one, let's say m, you have to replace this one with m. It is as simple as that. Now at this point, you multiply 2 by 3. Now here times 3, it will cancel. So I'm going to get y plus y inverse equal to this one times 3. We are multiplying 2 by 3. You see, we have to clear fraction. So this 1 times 3 will give us this y. This 1 times 3 will give us 6. I hope it's simple. So our main motive is to solve for y inverse. And so at this point, we make y inverse the subject. So we have y inverse is equal to, we have 6y here plus 6, right? Now this one will go to the minus, so minus y. So we have y inverse is equal to 6y minus y will give us 5y plus 6. Now at this point, this is the inverse of y. We are looking for the inverse of 1 out of 2. So the inverse of 1 out of 2, when you see y, you put 1 out of 2 there. So I'm going to get 5y. Y is 1 out of 2 plus what? 6. So the rest is simplification. So let's simplify this one. This one is the same as what? 5 over 2, right? Because 5 times 1 will give us 5 over 2. Now plus 6. So this one is important. You can do it anyhow to get the answer. So we have 5 plus what? 12 over 2. We have what? 17 divided by 2. So this is the inverse of 1 out of 2 for this special question. Follow me. Recommend the channel to many friends. Let's pass the WhatsApp. My form 1s, my form 2s, my form 3s. Recommend to the GHS students. Let them come on with the videos when they come to form 3. See you. Bye bye.